Okay. So what was happened in the last class? Can anyone summarize what has happened in the last class? Yeah, Jayant? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what was happened in the last class?
Sir, like we revised time folding and time scaling. Then
Mm-hmm.
finally we took up some problems, sir, upon that. Two, three
Okay,
problems we took.
fine. So yesterday we went through with the operations of signals. So in that we know that we got three different categories. So time shifting in the two categories. One is called delaying, and one more is called advancing. If it is delay towards the positive side, if it is advance towards the negative side. Then we went through with time folding. So in that we discussed if x of t is given, how to plot x of minus t, minus x of t, as well as minus x of minus t. So if it is x of minus t, we have to do folding, I mean exactly mirror image or reflection. If it is minus of x of, we need to fold the amplitude. Okay. So then last one was time scaling. So in that we went through with two different categories. One is called compression and one more is called expansion. If it is compression, we have to maintain divide by 2 logic. If it is expansion, we have to perform multiply by 2 logic. And we try to solve few problems. So we'll continue with the next level of problems. So any doubts anyone till here? Is it fine? Shall we proceed? If anybody have
Excuse me,
doubts,
sir.
yeah, yeah, Lavanya.
Sir, in time scaling, should we consider point value, sir? Means 0.5, 1.5.
That depends upon the graph, Lavanya. Just a second. I'll just go back to paint. Is this paint is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See this points that depends upon the question. So assume that the question was given with respect to your zero point 0.5, zero point 1. Then we have to consider if it is like generally 0 to 1. If it is 0, 1, 2. If signal is occurring from 0 to 2. If we do compression technique, no, then usually we divide by as the 0.5 and 1. So no need to consider in detail. So they won't ask you to put an exact scale here. So whatever the amplitude is mentioned, for that amplitude, if you consider compression expansion, that is enough. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So
like in
assume
the case
that
of discrete.
in case of discrete also, so assume that if they give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till 5. So if this was the case for discrete, I think we solved one problem yesterday, right? So if this was the case for discrete, so whatever the samples are given with respect to time, with respect to n will come here, right? Instead of time, you will get n here. Same procedure. So if signal is there for 0, 2 and 4, least bother about 1, 3 and 5. Am I clear? Am I clear? If signal
Yes, sir.
exists only for a time period for 0, 2 and 4, so we need to worry only about this samples. So if the samples was mentioned for 1, 3 and 5 with some value, then you have to take care of that also. Is it clear with both?
Sir, like when we scale the odd numbers also, should we write 0.5, 1.5, sir, in
Yes,
discrete?
yes, yes. Whatever things you have, we are dividing by 2. Correct, Appa? Whatever things we have, we are multiplying by 2. So whether irrespective of odd number or even number, we have to consider. See, there are rare cases where they may give the value itself as 0, 0.2, 0.5 and zero point 0.4. Because here scaling, they mainly give with respect to your even numbers or odd numbers. They won't mention with respect to the exactly like zero point 0.2, zero point 0.4. Even if they give, just stick on with the procedure. I just need to do divide by 2, multiply by 2. If signal is there, you just worry about that time period. If not, you can neglect that, not an issue. So anyhow, from 0 to 1, I am not going to worry about what is there in between 1.1 to 1.9. Correct? Huh?
Sir, like in the previous case, our signal is from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, sir. For all this, there is amplitude of 1, 2, and 3, and again 2 and 1, sir.
Yes,
So
then we have
if
to
you do the
consider.
scaling, if
Yes.
you do the scaling, the signal starts from 0.5 to 2.5, no, sir.
Yes, yes.
So for 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, for all that we should put the amplitude signal, no, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
That's what we are telling. So depending upon the given input, whatever division we are going to do, that will correspond and replica there. See, for example, here, so 5 is there with amplitude 1. So if I do a compression technique, this 5 becomes 2.5, correct? So that time I need to mention a signal at 2.5 with amplitude of 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? So similarly 4 is there, so I'll get at 2. Similarly 3 means you will get at 1.5. So whatever things you have, irrespective of odd and even number, just stick on to your basics. Okay now? So is it clear to everyone? Lavanya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we proceed then? So let's move on to next level of problem. So I think we solved discrete how many problems here? Only one, huh?
Yes, sir. Only one.
Okay, we will come back with one more type of signal. So where they may give you x of t like what I'm going to write now. So write on the question, if x of t and y of t are given, so they're given two signals for you, x of t and y of t. If x of t and y of t are given, sketch first one. So in the first sketch you are supposed to plot x of 1 minus t. So I think we didn't went such kind of problem, right? We solved t minus 1 t plus 2. So today we'll try to solve such kind of problem. X of 1 minus t and y of t by 2. So this is the thing you have to get for the sketch. So let me write the sketch. So we'll write x of t. So x of t signal look like this. So the given amplitude 0. Is it visible, guys, what I'm writing? Okay, 0, 1, 2 is amplitude. So for this time duration is from -1 to +1. -1 to +1. So from -1 to 1, signal is like this. Then 2, it goes like this. Then 1, it comes back like this. Is it visible what I wrote? So this dotted line I will represent for your reference. So this is for one amplitude. Okay, so this is your x of t. Is it visible, everyone? So maximum amplitude is 2 and the minimum is 1. So till 0, -1, till 1 it is constant, then it is dipping towards 2, then again constant, then again come back to 1. So this is your x of t. So for this x of t, they ask you to plot x of 1 minus t. That is the first part. So we'll try to finish off this, then we'll go with y of t question. Is it visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now tell me how to perform 1 minus t for this question. So till now we have plotted t minus 1, t plus 2 or t minus 2, t plus 3 concept. So we have not touched any concept like 1 minus t. I think we went through few problems based on your odd and even. Odd and even classification, is it done for you people? B section guys? Sketching of odd and even signals are done?
No, sir.
Classifications agilvapa. Classifications of signals, odd, even, periodic, non-periodic, is it done?
Sir, illa bari unit impulse ramp classification agide aste.
Straight away, ma'am went for elementary signals.
Yes,
So
sir.
classifications of your, there are 4 classifications, okay, that we will discuss later for you. Because I have covered 2 classifications for your other section paper. So we'll do later notation. Fine. So because why I told, because there we have a concept like 1 minus 2 and 2 3 minus t logic, which I taught them. That's why I asked you people. Okay, no problem. We'll discuss. Yeah. So how to proceed with this? See, if it is x of t minus 1, you know how to do. But now it is 1 minus t. So what is the procedure you have to follow?
We can rearrange minus t plus 1.
Thing you should be doing. Okay. So I will teach you directly also how to plot this. So first we'll stick on with the normal procedure. So as your friend told, we should provide this as a rearrangement. So we can do the things in this way. Is it correct? So what I wrote, is it visible? So I have rearranged 1 minus t as minus t plus 1. Correct, Appa? So if we do the things like this, so according to our precedential rule, which one will come first, guys?
Shifting, sir.
Shifting. So it means you need to perform x of t plus 1 first. So this you can do, not an issue. So t plus 1 means what type of shifting it is?
Advancing.
Advancing. Good. So you just delay your original signal by 1 bit. So shifting is a first process. After that, you have minus t plus 1 means which one? What I should perform?
Reflection.
Reflection.
Yes, sir.
Is it called reflection? Yes or no? So there comes your time folding. Sign up. Huh? So you can perform time folding whatever signal you got for this. So is that will be equivalent to your the given question 1 minus t? Is it okay, guys? Everyone? Shall we proceed? So you got the things whenever they ask the concept like this, how to proceed. So you just rearrange the question, then you went through with your precedential rule. Then if shifting will come, then if folding is there, folding, if scaling is there, scaling. Okay, na? Fine. So let's finish up this program now. So how will you plot? T plus 1. So what should be done? What should be done? So you told advancing, right? By how many bits here? What is the interval they are given?
1.
1 bit. So it means, say, delaying means, as already told, it will come towards negative of. Correct, Appa? So negative of means, so this 1 to 0, if I shift, that will be your 1 delay. Correct? So the signal which was starting at 1 will try to start from 0 now. So from 0, it is kept constant till where? Till 2. Certain row. So till 2, it is a straight line. Then this curve will become constant till where now? Till your minus 1. Then with amplitude of 1, it goes dip and it ends at minus 2. So let's redraw till here. Then a constant line. Okay, Napa? So minus 2 is here. Then minus 1. This is 0. So is it okay, everyone? You can write this as sharp curve. So is it your t plus 1? So what is the next thing we want? So we finished your shifting part. What is next, guys? I should perform what? Minus t plus 1 is what we want. So it means you need to perform time what?
Folding.
Time folding. So time folding or time reflection. Good. So what was the thing was starting will go in this way, right? So the waveform look like this. So 0 position. Okay. Then till 2 it is amplitude. Then till 1. Then amplitude of 1, you can dip and come back to 2. So this is how it looks. So 2, 1, 0. Here the amplitude is 2 and here the amplitude is 1. So this curve will be constant till 1, again dip takes place. So this is what your x of minus t plus 1. So is it same like your 1 minus t? Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Good. See, this is what the procedure we are supposed to follow. Okay. So then one more thing you can remember, for reference, we can directly plot 1 minus t also. So how to plot? Just check out the things carefully now. X of t will be there with you, right? So x of t, you just keep x of t as it is. I'm just delaying bit 1 bit. So if it is 2, 2 bit. If it is 3, 3 bit. Since the question is having 1 bit delay, so what should be done? So the waveform should what? What should happen to waveform? You need to plot for which one, x of t or x of minus t?
Minus t, sir.
So you need to plot x of minus t. So I hope you don't know how to plot x of minus t, guys, correct now? So reflection, if you do x of t, reflection become x of minus t. That if we delay by 1 bit, is it like same answer what we got just now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you want, let me plot. So x of 1 minus t if you want. So let's plot x of minus t is what I'm telling. So x of minus t, you know what you should do. Whatever x of t is given with you, that I should do what? A mirror image. So if we do mirror image, the signal will start from -1 like this, constant, then dip. Is it how it looks? So you can see this and this. Is it mirror image, guys? Yes or no? Is it okay till here?
Yes, sir.
So what I told, if you want to plot 1 minus t, there is one more alteration method. That is what I'm telling now. So what we will do after getting x of t, let's plot x of minus t. Now, whatever interval they are given, so it is like 1 minus t. We already have minus t with us, right? So just delay it by given delay. So if we say 1 bit delay, so is it like a same answer? Will it comes like this only? It will come like this. Is it what we have plotted for earlier cases? Both are same category. Is it okay, everyone? So whichever you feel comfortable, you can go ahead. But the thing what I told just now, you keep this as a reference because we have to follow presidential rule means we have to stick on with the same procedure. So the case one, what we have solved, you have to solve in the same manner. So for your simplification, whether the things what I have done is right or wrong, what you can do, you can just cross check the thing like what I wrote. Is it okay? So instead of giving 1 minus 2, if they give 2 minus t, then what is the procedure you have to follow, guys? You should do what? Minus t plus 2 logic. So you have to perform t plus 2, then comes your reflection. So same way, if you want to solve with the method what I told for verification, you can perform how? X of minus t you can plot. For that, whatever delay they are giving, that delay if you give, that will give you the same answer like the previous one. So both procedures are okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So shall I move on to, in the same question they have asked one more category, that is y of t. So we'll go with y of t. Before that, any doubts, anyone? So you got both the methods, x of 1 minus t, how to plot directly also, or how to plot by shuffling the given question also. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's proceed with one more part what is asked in the question. So we have finished your x of t. So now they are given y of t question also for you. Just make a note, guys. So y of t signal is given like this. So they are given from -1. Amplitude goes till 4 now. So amplitude is 4. Then it is kept constant. again dip till 2 and again become constant. So this is the amplitude level for 2 and this is for 4. So time duration is from -1 to +1. So I hope got the signal now. So this is your y of t. This is the given y of t. Okay. So for this, what is the thing you are supposed to plot? They've asked t by 2. So t by 2 means what, guys?
Multiplication, sir.
So multiplication. So it is a concept called time scaling in that compression technique or expansion technique, you should remember. So if it is divided by 2, it means, t by 2 means it is multiplied by 2 logic. So whatever signals are there, that will get expanded. So any amplitude remains same. There is no need to worry about the amplitude part. Amplitude remains same. So how it looks now? So -1. So whatever amplitude they are given, whatever the time period they are given, just keep multiplying by 2. So the signal, instead of starting from -1, it starts from -2. So this is called expansion. So -2 to +2. So you give some difference between the original signal to your tracing signal, because there should be comparison. When you compare, it should look like an expansion has happened. Okay. So -2 till 4 you can increase, then you can kept constant, then till where you will increase the dip now till
+2, sir.
so +2 here, then it become constant. So is it okay? Is it okay with everyone? So this is 2, this is 4. You can compare now this signal and this signal. So there is a concept of time expansion. So time expansion has happened. Okay, Napa? Is it okay, guys? If it is okay, let me proceed with the next question. Everyone okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move on to next level of problem now. So if anybody are facing any difficulties to understand, let me know. Because if you're able to get, I told you clearly, see, signals is a big chapter for 40 marks, I told. So 20 marks you can expect from the classification of signal. So you have 4 major classification: odd even, periodic, non-periodic, energy, power, deterministic, and random. So out of this 4, the last category what I told, deterministic and random, is just a statement wise defined for 2 marks. Remaining 3 classification will help you to do derivation as well as problem, which will fetch you almost 20 marks. So classification of signal itself will give you 20 marks, one full question for exam. Remaining 20 marks from your elementary signals, that what you learned, U of t, R of t, delta of t. Then 20 more marks in that split up as happened, 10 marks from elementary signal, 10 marks from the operation of signal, which one you are doing now. So is it, you got the concept how the 40 marks has been splitted? Everyone?
Yes,
Is it okay? Okay. So let's go with the next one. Run. For the given time signal x of t, for the given time signal x of t, plot the following. Plot the following. So now I'm not going to do this. I want you to solve. I'll just mention the signal and I will give you what is the thing they have asked. Okay. So what are the things you're supposed to plot for this? So first one is you need to plot x of 3t plus 2. You didn't went through with the compression or expansion respect to other than 2. It may be like this also. For that purpose, I'm giving this problem. So x of 3t plus 2 is what the first thing you're supposed to get. Similarly, x of t plus 4. Visible, guys, what I'm writing? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then x of t minus 1. X of minus 2t minus 1. And last one is x of minus 2t plus 3. So these are the 4 questions they are given. So it is for 10 marks. Okay. So 4 categories what you're supposed to find. So the given signal I'm going to trace now. So they're given a signal. So just make a note. So interval 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So type of signal given is a triangle signal. So till 0 till it reaches 4 and dip. Okay. So with the amplitude of 3. So 3 is a maximum amplitude. So this peak is at 3. So this is the given x of t. So that's all they are given. So for this x of t, I want everyone to plot the things what they have asked. Will you solve this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. So do one by one. See, whenever they ask anything, so you make a split up in the sheet. So you just try then to trace the first one. So 3t plus 2. What is the thing you're supposed to do? So first you do that. Next one. So go one below other. Okay. So if you give one below other, then you can compare with the original signal. You can do the things easily. Yeah. Go ahead. Finish up this. So let me see how much you understood in this concept. So I'm asking anyone to share the screen now. So get ready with your answers because we need to know what you understood. See, knowing the thing is different, implementing is different. So implementation part, what you people left out in the last third semester for network subject. So if you keep repeating same thing, the same thing will replica this time also. So be alert. Try to write the things. Practice once on the paper. So first question is x of 3t plus 2. 3t plus 2. What is the first procedure here?
Advancing, sir.
Advancing. So everyone did t plus 2 first. T plus 2 plot model.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So t plus 2, it means this is a triangle signal what they are given. So plus 2 means I told you it has to come towards negative side, right? So the signal will start from 2-bit delay. So 4 to 3 is one shift, 3 to 2 is one more shift. So how the signal look like now? So it starts from 2, and ends at where, guys? Ends at
minus
-2, sir.
good. Minus 2. So this is a minus 2 and this is your plus 2. So this is amplitude with 3. So this is your first category, t plus 2 madadra ellaru. So any doubts anyone how to get this t plus 2 first of all?
No, sir.
Is it okay? Right.
Yes, sir.
So what is next step?
Scaling, sir. Compression.
Good. So what the technique we have implemented, that is time shifting, that is called advanced shifting. So then whatever compression they give, see irrespective of 2, if they give 3, 4, 5, you stick on with that. So now compression means what I should do? So I should do divide by 2 or divide by 3 now?
By 2, I
Divide by
Divide by
3.
3. Very
Three.
good. So you should be sticking to the question. That's why I told yesterday, whatever question they give, don't do blindly divide by 2, multiply by 2. If it is 2t plus 2, 2t minus 2 minus 2t. So wherever you find 2t, 2t, then you can do divide by 2 and multiply by 2. Since in this particular question they are given 3, so the compression should happen with respect to 3. So I should divide by what now?
3.
3. So now tell me, so minus 2 divided by 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ?
0.66.
0.66. So the signal, I will trace it with 0. You just change the amplitude. So this is what the question you asked at the beginning of the class. Now I hope you got the answer. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you can compress. I mean, minus 2 to 2 inside will be your 0.6 alappa. So you can write the things inside. For your reference, you just give them a little space, but make sure from original signal to this, there should be looking like compression has happened. Okay, now. So minus 6. So I'll just trace it and I'll dip here. So don't worry about exact scaling because you're not following any graph sheet here. You can write a rough sketch. So is it what the compression by 3 look like? Everyone agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So the first question, 3t plus 2 is over. Okay, Napa. Next and back. So you want next question. So this is the end of first part. So till here you will get. So if it is 10 marks question, so 4 questions are there. So 2.5 marks for each. So till here if you plot 2.5. So don't be in a hurry to write the final answer. If you miss the steps, so same way the marks reduction also will happen. Okay. So if you want full marks, try to follow the steps clearly. So go ahead with next one, 2t plus 4. So what is the thing we should plot, guys, now? So you want second question to be solved, 2t plus 4. So what is the first thing we should get?
T plus 4.
T plus 4. Kata. So this is the original signal. You keep this as a reference now. So for this original signal, plot t plus 4. So now tell me how the signal look like. So there are 4 intervals. So it means 4 to 3. Yeah. So 0. Let me complete for others. 4 to 3 is one shift. 3 to 2 is second shift. 2 to 1 is third shift. 1 to 0 is fourth shift. So the signal will start exactly how it was at 4. It will continue like this at this junction. Katapa. And it ends where, guys?
Minus 4.
Good. So I hope everyone getting now how to plot the things. So this is what we wanted. So this is the thing for t plus 4. T plus 4 is done. Next in row.
Divided by 2.
So it says 2t plus 4 lapa. So we have to go with the compression technique now. So 2t. So you have to do divide by 2 logic. So divide by 2. So the signal which was starting at minus 4 will go to where?
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Good.
Minus 2.
Yes. So I hope everyone understood now how to get the things. So from minus 2, you just show inside. It should be inside that. That is present inside that. You can dip the things. So anyhow, amplitude remains 3 only. So is it what your second question? So 2t plus 4. I hope everyone getting now how to plot the things. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now go with the question number 3. So you want minus 2t minus 1. So what is the first thing we should do?
3 minus
t minus 1. So let me continue here itself. So if your page is not sufficient, you can split it to two half. So you just need to mention what is the thing you are plotting individually. See, so this graph is for t plus 2 and this graph is for 3t plus 2. You just mention the things in the y-axis clearly. That will tell you what is the thing you are plotted. So likewise, you put for all the sketching what you are giving. So here also you're done for second question. So this is your 2t plus 4. So try to cover up this with the x-axis, so it will tell you what we have sketched. Okay, so now we want to plot t minus 1. So t minus 1 means what we should perform here? What we should perform? T minus 1.
Delay, sir.
Delay. So now
Delay.
this is the original circuit. So now tell me, after performing t minus 1, how it will happen? So what I told, so 0 to 1 is first shift, right? That is what I want. So signal will start from where, pa? 1 in the na?
One.
Good. So it starts from plus 1 and ends at where, pa?
5.
5.
Good. So it has to end with 5. So this is my t minus 1 for the given original signal x of t. So I hope the moment of signal with respect to both sides, everyone understood. Okay, now. So now before going for minus concept, we should do what now?
Divide by 2.
Divide
by 2. Yeah. So divide by 2. Good. Perform here. So divide by 2 if you do. So this 1 by 2 extra
0.5 to 0.5
Good.
to 2.5.
0.5 in the 2.5 ಅಂತ mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So the scale you can mark. So no need to worry about the scale in between this range. We will just worry about the main things. Okay. So that is what I told you at the beginning of the class. So here to here. Sarinappa, is it okay? Everyone?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is your 2t minus 1. So don't try to plot minus 2t directly. You plot this. We are following our presidential rule. So now comes your minus. Minus means draw. Minus means what?
mirror image, sir.
Mirror image, or it is called as reflection. Very good. So the things which were starting from 0.5 to 2.5. So how it looks now? It looks like this. So minus 2.5 in the 0.5 ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿನಪ್ಪ? So this is your minus 0.5 to minus 2.5. So don't forget your amplitude, guys. So amplitude at 3 only. Amplitude remains at 3. For all the cases, try to write the amplitude and try to write what you have solved. So here you have achieved the category number 3 minus 2t minus 1. Is it okay? So question number 3 also solved. Any difficulties, anyone? Clear?
No, sir.
Good. So go with the last one now. So last category. So what you should prove first? What you will plot?
Advancing of 3, sir.
Good. So t plus 3 means you have to do advancing. So for the original signal, if you do advancing by 3 bit, how it looks? Just replicate.
Start from 1. New start.
Good. So 4 to 3, 1, 3 to 2 second, 2 to 1 is third. So it means this line will come exactly from 1. Sorry, draw. So 1 in the 3 or go, you can increase. Then dip till where, guys? Till where I should dip?
Minus 3.
Good. So minus 3 is here, plus 1 is here. So this is the thing what we have to get for t plus 3. Okay, na? Next year, Rapa.
Divide by
What is next? So since again 2t is there, so it is a compression technique. So divide by 2. Good. So divide by 2 means this original signal will start from
minus 1.5 to 0.5.
good. So 3 minus 3 become minus 1.5 to 0.5. So we'll just do the compression with respect to our x-axis. Then let me plot a signal like this. So this is your 2t plus 3. So what is the last part left out now? What is the last part we should do?
Minus mirror image.
Mirror image. So the signal which was starting from 0.5 will look like minus 0.5 to plus 1.5. Sorry and wrong. So this is
Yes,
what
sir.
the meaning of mirror image. Good. So we have finished all 4 questions what they have asked. So this is how they may ask you to get for 8 to 10 marks. So you just stick on to the procedure. So try to write the things what we did step by step just now. So don't forget to put the amplitudes because that is also carrying marks. So we finished all the 4 categories now. Everyone, is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
So if you have any doubts regarding this type of problem, you can ask. So like this, whatever sketch they are going to give you, just stick on with the procedure, follow the presidential rule, get the answers for each. Any difficulties, anyone to understand this? Anyone? Any doubts? 87 are there, both AB section combined. So if anybody have any doubts, let me know. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರೋ?
Yes, sir.
So let's proceed with the next level now. So this screen is visible, guys. Paint can't be up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So go with the next level of problem now. Read on. A signal x of t is equals to u of t. So now I will give the question. I want answers from you. Part of what type of signal you should tell me. To u of t. Sketch and label each of the following signals. A signal x of t is given is equals to u of t. Okay. Sketch and label. So I hope you know what is the meaning of label. So what we did x-axis, y-axis with all the marking you should do. Okay. So sketch and label each of the following signals. Each of the following signal. So in this, so they have asked some different categories. So first one is you need to plot x of t minus 2. X of t minus 2. So it's an 8 marks question. Second one is you should get x of 2t. Okay. So third one, is it visible what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So third one, t by 2. And fourth one, x of minus t. So this is what the given question. That's all they have given. Nothing else they have given. So now you should tell me how to write the input x of t first. So a signal x of t is equals to u of t. So for this you are supposed to sketch and label each of the following signals. So the 4 category, that is fourth one, not third one. So you have to supposed to get all these 4 categories. So each carries 2 to 2 marks. So it becomes 8 marks. See, this is how you can expect the questions in the exam. So directly by giving x of t is equal to u of t, if they ask only t minus 2, you won't get 8 marks. So it is hardly for 2 to 3 marks. Okay. So they will give a compartment like this. The different things what you're supposed to solve. So that's why I told you, try to be alert while writing the questions from the question paper. Okay, guys. So let's proceed. So now you should tell me what is the thing we should follow here. How will you sketch? The question is sketch and label.
We should plot a unit step function, sir.
Function,
Very
sir.
good. So that is what the hint they are given. See, so this is your one type of elementary signal. Do you remember u of t, everyone?
Yes,
So
sir.
whenever they give x of t is equal to u of t, r of t, delta of t, sinusoidal, cosine, complex, whatever they give, stick on to the procedure. So everyone know how to plot u of t. So what is u of t condition, guys? So u of t exists for,
Amplitude 1.
so u of t exists for time 0. So the values, I hope everyone remember this, u of t is equals to 1. So it is called unit step because amplitude is always equals to 1. So u of t is equals to 1 from where to where, guys? For a time period t greater than or equal to 0. Sarinappa. So if it is less than condition, then we can judge this
0.
is equal to 0. So this is what the condition, everyone remember? For unit step. Sarindra? Is it okay, guys?
Yes.
So now how the signal look like? So from 0 with amplitude of 1, the signal is going to be continuous. It is continuous. There is no end because it says u of t. So it will be keep going with the amplitude of 1. So this is your u of t representation. So now what is the question says? You are supposed to consider u of t same as x of t. So once you got this, remaining you can solve by your own. You can solve this individual things what they have asked, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, finish it off. So if anybody have doubts how we got this x of t is same as u of t function, you can ask me. So for the given x of t, just stick on with the procedure and keep solving one below the other. So this condition is what you should be very careful. So u of t, this is elementary signal. So the first category. So u of t minus 2 means what, guys? So for whatever things is there, we should perform ಏನಪ್ಪಾ shifting.
Shift by 2.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir. Delay
see,
by
one
2.
more thing, be careful. The signal is existing from 0 to 1, then constant. See, many will do like this. If you do only this much shifting, gone. So you should trace the signal completely. See the signal, it is there from this 0 to 1 also. So this complete signal you're supposed to trace. Then only you can expect full marks. Okay. So this is shifting by 2. So this is your first category, u of t minus 2 or x of t minus 2, both are same. Sarindra? Is it okay, first one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 2t
Yes,
and
sir.
Rendrapa. What's the meaning of 2t now?
Compression, sir.
Divide by.
So divide by 2, you're supposed to perform, but for what you will do divide by 2 now? Is it for amplitude or only for x-axis?
Only
Good.
x-axis, sir.
See, we don't know the sample where it is going to end, right? So we'll take assumption, that's all. So 4, 5, 6, your wish. So it will go till t. So we'll take some samples like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now if you do compression, divide by 2, so the values will get changed now. So for that, any of signal remains same only. Correct, appa? What is the value now? 0 at 0 only. So 1 becomes
0.5.
good. So now your questions are understood to everyone, I think. So 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. So 2.5 then followed by 3. So for this, the signal look like this only. Anyhow, it's same only. there is no variation with respect to my signal. Sarina? So while tracing, I told you trace from the 0. That's why I'm highlighting this part. This is there. This is there. So then you can write a straight line like this. So is it your 2t concept? X of 2t or u of 2t, is it okay? Everyone, is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Proceed with next. T by 2 and then draw. Multiply by 2. So again ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ amplitude ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. So 0 then 2 4 6 8 10 12. So depending upon how much samples you have taken, so this x-axis will tell you what you have done clearly. So don't forget, that is why they given sketch and label. So everyone do the labeling part clearly. So don't forget to mention the amplitude and individual signals what you are plotting. So expansion, so only this t will get expand, the signal look like what? A continuous way. Okay, now go. Is it okay, everyone? So this is how it looks for. So you write here at the y-axis x of t by 2. Here x of 2t. Here x of t minus 2. That is what the meaning of labeling. So what is the last category left out now?
X of minus t.
Good. So x of minus t. See, we know u of t function doesn't exist towards negative side, but they have asked x of t same as u of t means we can plot. Nothing wrong in plotting. Okay, na? We know the signal doesn't exist towards negative side, but since x of t is given, so I should plot it. So if this is x of minus t, so this mirror image look like this. Is it okay, everyone? So you can mention the samples few. So 0, -1, -2, so on till some -2 to -3. So any difficulties to anyone? See, just a simple, it looked like very simple, right? So you're going to get 8 marks for this. So that's why you need to be very careful while dealing with signals subject. So if you know how to do the things, it look like simple. Okay, so now any doubts anyone with this? Is it okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now what I want, same question, I want you to replica using your unit step function with respect to what? Discrete. So now you have to consider a concept that x of n is equals to u of n and repeat the same type for all. So perform x of n minus 2, n minus 2, x of 2n. Will you solve this, everyone? So we'll get an idea how it look like if it is a discrete also. Okay, so x of n minus 2, x of 2n, x of n by 2 and x of minus n. So same procedure you should follow for this also. Is it okay? Will you finish up this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so finish up that. So we'll try to go with the next level of problem tomorrow. Fine. So if you have any doubt till here, you can just make a note. So you can ask tomorrow. Okay. So see you tomorrow, everyone. So go and engage the next class. Yeah.